tips before soldering. Grab some alcohol wipes. Make sure the iron is off and cold. Wipe any residue and dirt off the tips thoroughly. Now turn the iron on and clean off any old solder. Then use a tiny bit of solder to tin the tip. Then quickly clean off any excess. Heat the board. Then apply flux. Then heat the pre-tin pads with the air gun. Whilst heating, position the connector. Now heat all the pins so the solder flows nicely. Flow the pins one more time whilst you inspect them. How to tin pads ready for hot air soldering. Use a chisel tip or a knife tip. Apply flux to the pads. Make sure to use the tacky kind. Then apply solder whilst heating the pads. Don't worry if the pads are bridged at the moment. You can heat up more than one pad at a time to clear bridges. And also drag the tip down the pads gently to remove stubborn bridges. Now it's time to clean up. Grab some flux remover, spray on lint-free pads, and wipe the board.